How to transfer TorFX to MetaMask. Send TorFX tokens to your MetaMask wallet. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Utilize TorFX online or app services. Use TorFX platform to convert your funds into a cryptocurrency like ETH or a stablecoin like USDT that is supported by your chosen exchange. If TorFX doesn't directly support the cryptocurrency you want, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange that supports TorFX and then convert to your desired token. Copy MetaMask address. Open your MetaMask extension and copy your wallet address. Initiate transfer from exchange. Go to the exchange or platform where you hold the cryptocurrency and initiate a withdrawal. Paste your MetaMask address as the recipient. Confirm transaction. Review the details and confirm the transaction. If your desired token or network isn't directly supported by the exchange or MetaMask, you may need to use a bridge to transfer your tokens to the correct network. Thanks for watching.